discussion regarding the DT-based activity on the BJT, that is bipolar junction transistor. Generally, empathy, what we are going to do is, first we the engineers, what we have to do is we have to analyze what is the need of the user first, and then we have to design according to that as we are engineers. Okay. First, generally, this BJTs we can use it in the patient monitoring system, which is very useful for the patients in the hospital, where we identify the heart rates, BPs, and all those stuffs. Okay. First, what we are going to do is, in previous days, what has happened is that manual things have to be done. If since we are doing the manual things, the efficiencies has been reduced and the reliability is also been reduced. Now, what we have to do is that we have to develop a design to make it even more faster to analyze these things. And by doing these things, the accuracy of the patient monitoring system will be developed, and the efficiency will also be developed. So, by analyzing, this is an empathy of an BJT, how the patient monitoring system will be designed in the hospital, and how it is going to work, and how it will be very helpful for the doctors and the nurses in all the days. Okay. Now, by the time we are going to talk about how the design has been done, and how it has been ideated, and how the prototype has been developed. Okay? Okay, next.
Hello everyone, myself Rahman. I am here to tell about the defining stage of this problem statement. First of all, the main problem is that we want to create a system with fast, flexible and automatically switching device for monitoring patients. For this, the device must satisfy some needs. That needs are, it must be less power consumable, more flexible, quickly responds to the output of sensors, and it must be cost efficient. The BJT, bipolar junction transistor, which supports all these requirements. The bipolar junction transistor are mainly used for amplification and switching applications. These bipolar junction transistor has three terminals, common base and emitter. There are mainly two types of BJTs, NPN transistor and PNP transistor. The NPN transistor are widely used due to its efficiency and more powerful than others. Now let us discuss about the ideal stage.
So hello everyone, I am Shmalia. I am going to tell about the ideal stage of our problem statement, that is the third stage of design. So what is ideal in the sense? We engineers discuss the ideas that come across our mind. We brainstorm it and we shall discuss the solution for the problem. So for our problem, that is for our automatic monitoring system, we have put upon an idea in using the relays, mechanical switches and transistors. On comparing on these three, we came to conclusion that transistor is more reliable for this monitoring system. So we use bipolar junction transistor for our monitoring system because it is small in size, fast response, and it is reliable in all the ways. So normally we use NPN transistors for the switching systems. Transistor just works in taking small amount of current in the base, which controls the large current between the collector and the emitter. So we use bipolar junction transistor in our monitoring system, and NPN transistor as the switching system. When the signal flows through the circuit, the transistor turns on, and when there is no signal flow between the circuits, the transistor automatically turns off. This is the major idea we put it upon our monitoring system. That's it about the idea.
So I am going to tell about the first stage, that is a prototype. Prototype is a well-defined and we discussed both these stages. By designing a prototype, we use NPN transistor for automatic control. So we use the components of buzzer, power supplies, and transistor and a developer. So by the working principle, yes. The sensor continuously monitors the patient monitoring system. When under normal condition, no signals has been found. Therefore, the transistor remains off.
final stage in our this thinking, because it is very important to check the performance of any of the circuits we are making. So here we basically make a transistor based switching system, which is very small in size and very compact, and it is easy to use and cost effective. So these have multiple characteristics, mainly as we see in the prototype. The main two characteristics are, the first thing, it shows the it signals, or it shows any of the changes while directing the abnormal signals. So the second thing is, it is a long operating amplifier which is used for amplification. These are the two main things that is need to be used. BJTs need to be used in any of our healthcare devices or any real life examples. And this is, as I said, it is very small in size and it is very easy to use for an amplification. The main thing is, it is used for long days, for a long run. That's why it is mainly used in the patient monitoring system and all other things. Mainly it is used in communication systems too. So where it gives an amplifying signals and it amplifies the signals and gives a required output. So also on the testing part, we had tested this BJT for checking its performance under different conditions, and we observed many positive results too. So this is what in BJT is, this is how we use it in our real life example. To conclude, bipolar junction transistor, that is BJT, is used for amplification and enhancing the signal frequencies in the medical devices,